In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this fake UGC Facebook ads for ClickBank affiliate marketing. And these ads look something like this.
Improve your English to speak like a CEO. I never thought I'd say this about myself. My English just wasn't enough. I used to stay quiet in meetings.
As you can see, the person in the video looks realistic. But what if I told you it's completely made using AI? No editing, no voiceover, or having to record yourself on camera. This AI tool does all for you. So like this video, and if you want access to a full free ClickBank course with all the modules, step-by-step blueprint that I use to make ClickBank sales, go to insider10x.com/course or click the second link in the description below to get started. All right, so let's dive in. The first step for us is to head over to ClickBank Affiliate Marketplace. This is where we are going to choose a profitable ClickBank product that's selling right now. As you can see, there are plenty of offers you can choose from here. For this example, we're going to promote a product called Sleep Lean. The reason I picked this one is simple. It's in the weight loss niche, which has massive demand, and this offer has been converting consistently well on ClickBank. Another big advantage is the payout. This offer pays up to $150 per sale, which means you don't need a huge number of conversions to make this strategy worthwhile. That combination high demand plus a strong payout is exactly what we're looking for when choosing a product to promote. Next, let's go to the affiliate page. This is where you create your affiliate link. I'll enter my affiliate ID here, click Generate, and that gives me my unique link. Now I'm going to copy this link and open it in a new tab, just to see how the sales page looks. As you can see, this is a video sales letter. Pages like this usually convert well because they explain the offer before asking for anything. Look at the headline on this page. Nighttime hack melts fat while you sleep. The words nighttime hack are used as a hook. A hook is simply something that grabs attention and makes people curious. The reason this works is because it sounds easy and different. It suggests something simple that happens at night, without extra effort. That's the same idea we're going to use. In the next step, we'll use ChatGPT to create similar hooks and scripts that grab attention and lead people naturally to the offer. So now, I'm going to head over to ChatGPT, and this is where we'll write the script. I've already created the prompt, so you don't have to figure anything out yourself. You can simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. To access the prompt, I'll leave the file linked in the description below. Just click the link and you'll get instant access to it. Once you have it, copy the prompt and paste it into the chat. As you can see, the prompt uses nighttime hack as the hook. What this does is guide ChatGPT to build a story-style script around that hook. The goal here is to create curiosity to make people want to keep watching and learn more, without feeling like they're being sold to. This way, the script feels natural, engaging, and attention-grabbing, which is exactly what we want. So go ahead and hit enter, and the AI will instantly create a strong, compelling script built around that hook. It's designed to spark curiosity, keep people engaged, and smoothly lead them into the offer without sounding pushy or salesy. And as you can see, the script is now ready. It starts like this: 223. That was my weight. Today, I'm 154. And no, I didn't starve, do crazy workouts, or give up carbs. Right away, this grabs attention because it feels personal and real. Then it goes on to explain the struggle doing everything right for years. Eating salads, walking, going to the gym, even skipping meals. But nothing worked. The clothes kept getting tighter. People judged, photos were avoided, and every night ended with frustration and disappointment. That emotional part is important because it helps the viewer relate. Then the script introduces the turning point, a simple nighttime hack that works while you're asleep. This creates curiosity and keeps people watching. And finally, at the end of the script, there's a clear call to action. Click the Learn More button and watch the short video that explains everything. So the script flows from attention to emotion to curiosity, and then naturally into the next step. That's exactly what we want. Now the next step is to turn this script into a realistic looking video. To do that, click the third link in the description below, and it'll take you here. ArcAds is an AI tool that lets you create realistic talking videos using avatars without recording yourself. All you need to do is paste the script, choose an avatar, and generate the video. This makes the whole process fast, simple, and beginner-friendly, especially if you don't want to be on camera. So make sure to create an account, and once you're inside, this is what you're going to see. This is where you paste the script we just created. I'll quickly jump back into ChatGPT, copy the script, and paste it right here. Next, click on Add Actors, and you'll see a list of different actors you can choose from. As you can see, these are all fake actors, but they look real. For this example, I'm going with this one because she looks middle-aged, which matches the age group that usually responds best to weight loss offers. Once selected, I'll add the actor. Now I'll hit Generate, and this will start creating the video. It usually takes a few minutes, so just give it a moment. Alright, as you can see, the video is now ready. Let's hit play and check the results.
223, that was my weight. Today, I'm 154. And no, I didn't starve, do crazy workouts, or give up carbs. I'm honestly still pinching myself because for years I did everything right. Salads, walking, gym memberships, even skipping dinners, and yet my clothes kept getting tighter. People kept...
And honestly, this looks very realistic. The voice sounds natural, the expressions feel human, and the message flows smoothly from start to finish. And that's how you turn a simple script into a high-quality video. Now I'm going to show you a simple testing structure that lets you test multiple ads, find a winner, and optimize without burning money, even on a small budget. But first, there's one important thing I want to show you. If you're running Facebook ads for ClickBank, you already know the real issue isn't the ads. It's accounts getting restricted because of bad or unstable proxies. I've lost both time and money learning this the hard way. That's why I use Node Maven. It's a private proxy pool built specifically for affiliate marketers and performance teams. These are honestly my go-to proxies because the stability is on a completely different level compared to cheap proxy services. What I like is that campaigns stay more stable, accounts last longer, and they even include features that usually cost around $150 elsewhere for free, and their guarantees are solid. If a proxy fails, they add €1 to your balance. If you're not satisfied, you get a same-day refund, and if you find a better price, they'll beat it. That's rare. Now, the setup is simple. You just go to Premium Rotating Proxies, choose your country for example. I'll select the United States adjust options, like region or city if needed, then enter how many proxies you want. Let's say 20. You generate them, connect them to your anti-detect browser, and you're good to go. I've put my Node Maven link in the description below. Use my promo code to get 100% extra traffic. If you're serious about running Facebook ads safely for ClickBank, these are the proxies I actually trust. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you the micro-budget Facebook ad system. This diagram shows the exact structure we're using. At the top, we have one campaign. The goal of the campaign is sales. Inside the campaign, we have 2 ad sets. Each ad set has a budget of $25 per day and uses a broad audience. Inside each ad set, we place 3 ads. All the ads promote the same offer, but each one uses a different hook or message. We let these ads run for 48 to 72 hours, then turn off the losers and keep the winners. This way, we're testing smart, spending less, and letting data decide what works. Now, if you want access to a full free ClickBank course, with all the modules, step-by-step blueprint that I use to make ClickBank sales, go to insider10x.com/course or click the second link in the description below to get started.